NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has only just begun to open its eyes, but what it's seeing is nothing short of revolutionary. The universe, more mysterious, more beautiful, and more complex than humanity ever dared to dream, is being revealed in ways we never thought possible. Just when we thought we had a solid grasp on the cosmos, Webb has captured images so startling, so mind-bending, that they could rewrite the rules of the universe itself. For decades, scientists have believed they understood how galaxies and stars formed, but Webb's revelations are flipping this conventional wisdom on its head. Could this be the moment we realize that everything we've been taught about the universe might need to be rethought? Let's dive into some of the most groundbreaking discoveries that are forcing astronomers to re-examine the very fabric of space and time. The Big Bang Theory faces its toughest challenge for years. The Big Bang Theory has been the cornerstone of cosmology. It's the theory that gives us the timeline of the universe, how it all began, and how it evolved to become what we see today. But with Webb's ability to peer deeper into space than ever before, our understanding of the cosmos is being shaken to its core. Take the discovery of the cosmic microwave background radiation, CMB, for instance. This faint afterglow from the Big Bang has long been thought of as a snapshot of the infant universe. For decades, it helped scientists estimate the universe's age, its density, and the rate of its expansion. But now, Webb's sharper instruments are starting to suggest that the CMB might be far more complex, and less reliable, than previously thought. As Webb's eyes turn to galaxies that seem to be older and more well-formed than we should be able to see, it's calling into question the very foundation of cosmology. How could these galaxies exist so early in the universe's history, if the Big Bang occurred just around 13.8 billion years ago? If these galaxies truly predate the Big Bang, it would mean the entire timeline we've relied upon for so long might be completely wrong. The implications of this discovery are so vast that they may rewrite everything we thought we knew about the universe's birth. The Hubble constant mystery, one of the most perplexing puzzles in modern astronomy, is known as the Hubble tension. It revolves around the Hubble constant, the number that describes how fast the universe is expanding. But here's the catch: astronomers have been getting conflicting values when they try to measure this rate. On one hand, the CMB suggests that the universe is expanding more slowly than expected. On the other hand, observations of supernovae, a cosmic explosion so powerful they can outshine entire galaxies, suggest a much faster rate of expansion. Webb's discoveries are only adding fuel to this fire, with its images of galaxies that defy the expected timeline, further deepening the mystery and turning the Hubble tension into a flashing siren for cosmologists worldwide. Challenging the nature of time and space, it's not just about galaxies and their timelines. Webb's images are raising profound questions about the nature of space, time, and even gravity. If these galaxies exist so early, could our entire understanding of time itself be incorrect? Might the laws of physics that we've relied upon need to be reconsidered, or even completely overhauled? Einstein's theory of general relativity, which for over a century has guided our understanding of space and time, itself has limitations. It doesn't explain certain cosmic behaviors, particularly when it comes to the mysterious dark matter and dark energy, two invisible forces that are thought to account for 95% of the universe's content. But with Webb's cutting-edge data, scientists are questioning if dark matter and dark energy even exist. Could it be that the universe behaves differently than we think, and that the cosmic mysteries are hiding in plain sight? Or is gravity, the force that we thought governed everything, functioning in a way we have yet to understand? The redshift dilemma, another critical tool astronomers use to measure the universe's redshift, the shifting of light towards the red end of the spectrum as it moves away from us. This effect helps scientists estimate the distance and age of distant galaxies. However, Webb is shaking up this long-standing assumption. Some galaxies that appeared to be older and more distant based on redshift measurements are turning out to be far more massive and mature than expected. Could this mean that our entire method for estimating the age and distance of celestial objects is flawed? A new cosmic web. One of Webb's most surprising revelations has been the discovery of a vast, interconnected cosmic web of galaxies and filaments, far more intricate and mature than any existing models predicted. This structure appears to have formed much earlier than anyone thought possible, creating a mystery of how galaxies could form and organize themselves so quickly in the early universe. It's as if we've walked into a city and found skyscrapers towering over us, even though the construction was supposed to have barely begun. Webb's images are raising more questions than answers, forcing scientists to reconsider not just the rate at which galaxies formed but the very nature of cosmic evolution itself. Rethinking the nature of light. Light has always been our window into the universe, guiding our understanding of distance, motion, and even the fundamental nature of space-time. But Webb's advanced instruments are suggesting that light might behave differently than we've assumed. If these subtle shifts in light's behavior across vast distances are confirmed, it could mean that every measurement we've made about the size, age, and structure of the universe needs to be re-evaluated. The search for alien life. Perhaps the most exciting and controversial of Webb's findings is its search for alien life. With its powerful instruments, Webb is peering into the atmospheres of exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars far beyond our solar system. One such planet, K218b, located about 120 light-years away, has sparked intense debate. Scientists have detected methane, carbon dioxide, and potentially dimethyl sulfide, DMS, in its atmosphere, an organic molecule often produced by life on Earth. If confirmed, this could be the most compelling evidence yet of life beyond Earth. However, the signal is faint, and the detection of DMS is far from conclusive. As scientists pore over the data, the possibility that we might finally have a breakthrough in the search for extraterrestrial life is tantalizingly close. But even if life is confirmed on K218b, the questions multiply. What kind of life could thrive on a planet that is entirely covered by water? Could these life forms be similar to anything we know, or will they be so different that they force us to rethink our very definition of life itself? New worlds, new discoveries. Webb is also revealing extraordinary new worlds that challenge our understanding of planet formation. Ultra-hot Neptunes, gas giants with surface temperatures exceeding 1,700 degrees Celsius, are providing fresh insights into planetary evolution. These strange planets orbit their stars so closely that traditional theories suggested they shouldn't exist. Webb's observations are helping us understand how such unlikely worlds could form and survive in such extreme conditions. Closer to home, the telescope is studying objects within our own solar system, like the dwarf planet 2007 OR10, located in the Kuiper Belt. This distant world is rich in water, ice and organic compounds, providing new clues about the chemical conditions that may have existed in the early solar system and could shed light on Earth's origins. Rewriting the textbooks. As Webb continues to explore the deepest corners of the universe, one thing is becoming increasingly clear: the more we learn, the more we realize how little we truly understand. From the cosmic microwave background to the very laws of physics, Webb is forcing scientists to question everything. And this is only the beginning. Each new discovery raises more questions, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and forcing us to confront the uncomfortable truth that our models of the universe might be incomplete, or worse, entirely wrong. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for a scientific revolution, a humbling reminder that in the grand scheme of things, we are still in the early days of understanding the cosmos. This moment of upheaval and wonder is exactly what science is all about. It's not about having all the answers, it's about asking the right questions and being open to the possibility that the universe might be far stranger, more complex, and more wondrous than we ever imagined. The legacy of the James Webb Space Telescope won't just be the knowledge it generates, but the new questions it inspires, a never-ending quest to understand the cosmos, one mind-bending discovery at a time. The universe is changing before our eyes, and we are just beginning to comprehend the vast mysteries it holds. Will these discoveries lead to a new golden age of astronomy, or will they plunge the field into chaos? Only time will tell, but one thing is for certain, the universe is far stranger than we ever imagined. And with Webb, we're finally beginning to see it for what it truly is, an uncharted, bewildering realm full of infinite possibilities. Do you think Webb's discoveries could change everything we thought we knew about the universe? Let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to like and